Hello, and we are back in Unit 3 Handling Data 3. In this video, we will be talking about the median. The exercise says the weights of 20 babies born in a hospital on January 1st are recorded in the table. Find the median for this frequency distribution. So, we have a table that has different units of weight of babies that were born on that day in that hospital, and the right column shows the frequency, shows us how many babies. And since we're looking for the median, we know that the median is the sum divided by 2. So we have 20 babies divided by 2, so that's 10. So the 10th value out of those 10 babies is what we're looking for since it is the median. And what we're going to have to do is that we're going to add a third column to the table that shows us the adding up the cumulative frequency. And then we will choose the 10th one since the 10th in such case is the median. So we're going to start. Our first frequency is 4 babies, so there's 4. And then we had 6 babies, so we add that in a cumulative way and then we go on. 6 plus 4 is 10. Then we had 8. We're going to add on. So 10 plus 8 is 18. And we finally have 2 babies, so 2 plus 18 is 20. And now, after we have added the cumulative of the frequencies, let's look for the value we need. We're looking for the 10th value in our example right here, since the 10th is the median. So, take a look at the column that we have just done. The 10th value is within the second unit, which is the babies that were born greater than or equal to 2 or less than 3 kilograms. So this weight unit is going to be our median.